Good evening, everyone. This is a beautiful campus in Shimla. Just see how nicely a garden is made on the hill slope. And here's a footpath. Just see the design. And we have a gazebo here. The design is so nice. And we have a sitting arrangement there. Just enough for around 8 to 12 people to gather around and have a get together. And down again we have a beautiful lawn here. Right now it's around 6 in the evening. I'll just show you this beautiful campus in Himachal Pradesh. Just see the steps, how grand it is. Let's go down. What a beautiful sunshine of the evening. Isn't this lovely? So green. We have a garden chair there. Let's go down to the steps. Just see the architecture of this. It's evening time here. We have beautiful flowers. Just see this lovely campus. We have a solar water tank here. Let's go to the ground. Just see how beautiful it is. Lovely. It's a beautiful campus in Shimla. When we are close to the nature, why we feel so happy and relaxed. This is so nice. Let's protect our environment. Let's live together. Let's take care of one another. Very nice.